Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is March 11. We are looking at the 1 hour chart of oil. Now, as you know, oil has been extremely volatile due to the war with Iran, between Iran and the US. Okay, and here's what we have so far, and also I'm gonna be talking a little bit about the long-term outlook as well. Okay, so first of all, 1 hour time frame, we spiked into 120, almost 120, 119.4. Okay, uh, amidst the war, and then we subsequently started to correct or starting to pull back. um, we are calling the first leg of the correction complete here as a 5 swing. So meaning we can get through this rally and potentially go down again due to this bigger degree ABC pullback, as long as we don't break above 119.40. Alright, so if I go to the weekly time frame, right? So here's the weekly time frame. Now there was this one was going to negative number last time. I think we can ignore this spike down here. It's not really real in that sense. Now we did get rejected from this trend line here. Okay, let me zoom out here. Okay, so what happens here is again we got rejected right at this trend line, and if you look at the 1 hour, we're looking for a EPC pullback. So what that simply means is that this is your wave 1 on the weekly, and now we're looking for something like this before higher again, right? So eventually we could go higher, but it's not going to be easy. I mean, this is also a long-term bearish trend line, by the way, from 2008. So this is almost like an 18-year-old bearish trend line. So it's not easy to break in the first go, like this one attempted to break, unable to. So now we could get choppy for a while here, right? We could get choppy for a while. You can also draw a couple of different things here, guys. So you can draw it like this as well, right? If I show you the other one that I have, just give me a moment if I can get it here. Alright guys, so here is the monthly time frame crude oil, right? So this is the bearish trend line from 2008. So let's remove this for a while. Now this looks like a bullish flag to me, this one, right? And then it breaks higher, retest it, hold and rally again. So now the last sort of defense in oil is this trend line here, which is basically rejecting the move up to 119. Now if we manage to close above it, I think eventually at some point we will, but it's not going to be easy. Again, I think first try is going to be difficult, but we're going to be trading within this expanding range here, guys, right? I don't think we will go back to this testing this low again. So I think we're going to continue to go back and forth, let's say within this area, and until eventually we manage to break higher. Again, this looks like a bullish flag to manage to break higher. Now if we manage to break and close above it, manage to take out this 130, I think there's no limit, no longer a limit to where oil will go. Can go to $200 next when we break above this previous peak and close above this trend line. Okay, so I think the long-term pattern is bullish. The long-term pattern is bullish. Short-term can get choppy. Short-term can get choppy, but for now we are looking for potentially a bigger pullback in the form of an ABC before we go higher. Okay, now the C does not necessarily have to be equal to the A. It can truncate without reaching parity with the A later on, and then rally again. Right? Eventually it's gonna break, but it can get pretty choppy in the meantime in the shorter cycle now. But above this previous low, which is 54, not too long ago, back in January, we should eventually slowly again trying to rally higher and eventually breaking to new high. Okay, so that's basically what we're looking at. Currently we're looking for minimum threshold rally to correct this decline here. Potentially can go to shorter cycle, potentially can go to 93 to 101 next in this select up here. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. Shorter cycle. As always, if you want to get more updates on oil or any other commodities, forex, indices, feel free to check our service, and you can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.